Good morning students. As you all know that Saudi National Day is on 23rd September. So let's make a Saudi craft. For this we need an empty tissue roll and a triangle folded tissue paper. Now we will put it on the top to make the Saudi headscarf and hold it with a rubber band to make the gadra. Then take a rectangular white paper and wrap it around the roll to make the Saudi's dress and tuck in the excess paper, staple it at the back. To make face, cut all the features from a paper and paste it accordingly. Cut a paper strip for making arms and wrap it around the roll like this and paste. Cut a paper flag, attach it on a toothpick and stick it to the Saudi as shown with tape. Using markers, write a note on Saudi. Now make your own Saudi and send the picture to your teacher.